Sit back, relax, and enjoy the next 9-hour journey into the world of royalty. Today you will see the world-famous crown.
Oh, I've cut the lights. Careful, Gran. This way. Psst, over here.
Listen, you lot, you're not going to just see the jewels, you're going to help us steal them.
First, we drop into the sewers.
Them's a plumbing genius.
Then we crack the vault, steal the jewels and get out.
Watch out for the bobbies.
That's Gran. You're a gangster.
A Gangsta Granny. Let's rob and run.
It's a long way down, Gran. Hold tight. Here we go.
Don't let go, Ben. We're going too close. Get them off, get them off. Brace yourselves.
Is everyone still with us? Good. Security gates. Everybody remain perfectly still. Don't even breathe. Catch one of those and you'll blow our cover. I didn't say blow off. No more cabbage soup.
Whoops. Look, the foot. Right, this time I will do the job. It's gonna go kaboom.
Nothing happened.
Wait for it. Oh, blimey.
That's strange. Where's the crown?
I don't know, Ben. Let's grab the orb. Will this do?
At least it's good for one thing. Careful, Gran.
Slowly does it. You, the black cat strikes again.
This is what you do down here.
Let's get out of here. Quick, this way.
Heading for Traitor's Gate! Close the gate!
We've lost power. The gate's gonna close. This way, Gran. The sewers lead us out to the Thames.
Wetsuits on! Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1!
Are you okay, Gran?
I've never felt more alive.
Let's read away!
Quicker, Gran. Spin faster.
A bit of bubble power will do the trick.
Stop right now.
The mobility scooter. I mean, getaway car is this way.
Come on, slowcoach. Jump on. I'm gonna floor it. Hold tight. It's the fun.
We're done for. They've made a roadblock.
Hold on to your hats and glasses. I'm gonna jump
Mr. Gran. There's the crown.
What on earth are you doing in my palace?
I'm sorry, Your Majestical Majesty.
Who turned the lights on? Wait, my crown! My crown! Was that you lot? Lords, bring a big here! Ah!
Don't act suspicious, and remember, don't tear up Bobby's info. That's great.